Hello everyone, I am Liana with Music Academy International, and guess what? I decided today to start a new series on Czerny Opus 599. So this Czerny 599 is for actually for beginners. Is the first Czerny that you could learn. As you know, I do consider the practice of scales, Hanon and Czerny are the foundation of how to play the piano. So when you do this consistently during time, I still do Czerny at this moment in time, you know, that's how the progress, it will be on the right direction, you know. Anyhow, so you do have on the playlist, my decision is based on the fact that I did do before a series of Czerny Opus 299, that is agility and speed, and I could see that not everyone is quite there, so that's why I'm backing off a little bit and I'm starting with 599. So again, 599, the first 10 studies are mostly for side reading, so don't focus on the finger number, focus how it goes up, stepping or skipping up or down or whatever it is. Obviously you might not be a good reader when you are at this level, so don't focus on the fingers, please. I would suggest you to erase the fingers numbers from there. It would be easier. So that is my suggestion. Another suggestion for this first series of 10, it would be to take one hand at a time, you know, and practice a couple of times, and then left hand couple of times, and then put it together. And now that being said, let's start with the practice of it. Hello everyone, Hanon number 10. 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, and the last one of the first series of Hanon, that is mostly for sight reading and getting used with chords and here, right? So in this number 10 is first time when right hand and left hand actually they having chords and not same chords on the same time. So this needs to be practiced a little tiny bit separate hands and then both hands, because you need to really be more ease on changing the chords and recognizing the chords on the notes as well. So I'm gonna go for slow, very slow. This needs to be done really slow. So this is my quarter note. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Pay attention how loose I am. I did repeat. These are the first 4 measures, and 2, 3, 4. Right now, next 8 measures. These 2 chords are the same. 2, 3, 4. These are not. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. I'm playing like that for you to see. Check if you are, you know, relax. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so let's talk about this, what's happening. Right hand, you have C major inverted, inversion number 1, E, G, C, back to C major. Then you have this one, D, G, B, D, D, G, B, right? And back into the C major, right? Now you can use, again, I did talk how to play the chords in number 8, in which I told you to use your wrist. So if you didn't see number 8, please come back and sit number 8. You can see limp, right? So don't stay like that. Don't stay like that. Very bad. You see my wrist, you know, so good. So, yeah, so, and then back. Now, the fingering, you know, you can use different fingers. Here in my book, it's saying CEG to play it with 1 to 4. Not necessarily, you can play it 1, 3, 5. So it's up to you. Here it must be 1, 3, 5, and here it must be 1, 2, 5. On the left hand, it's starting with C major chord. In my book, it's saying 1 to 4. Not necessarily. I would do 1, 3, 5 if you are comfortable at this moment in time, you know. But on the next one is G, D, F, right? So this one, G, D, F, must be 1 to 5 and back to however you feel comfortable, right? 1 to 4 or 1, 3, 5. The next measure number 5. Left hand, 1 to 4, must be 1 to 4. Here again, 1, 3, 5, must be 1 to 5. Here could be 1, 3 or 2, 1, 2. Here it's a good 2, 5 because you're coming from here, 1, 3, and then here it's a good 1, 3, 5. Here it must be 1, 2, 5, back to 1, 3. Alright? So, yeah, it's good for you to figure it out what fingering exactly you want to use. And then when you practice, please use all the time the same fingering, because as this stage in your development, you are creating a skill and you are creating patterns in your fingers how to take these chords. On the right hand, you have measure number 5, 1, 3, 5. Must be 1, 3, 5. Do not play 1 to 5 or 1, 4, 5 because it is not good. The next one in my book is 1 to 4. It doesn't necessarily need to be 1 to 4. It can be 1, 3, 5 as well. The next one is 1, 3, 5. Again, if you do 1, 3, 5 here, you can do 1 to 4 here or just go down 1, 3, 5. Next, it's 1 to 4 in my books. I would do 1, 3, 5 sincerely because that's how we've been doing all the chords. You see? So I would definitely do here 1, 3, 5. Next is could be 1, 3, 5 or 1, 2, 4, whatever. You see, it's coming back with 1, 3, 5, and then you finish it in this one, right? So the notes are C, F, A 2 times. That's measure number 5. C, E, G, B, D, F 2 times. G, C, E 1 time. G, B, D 2 times. G, C, E 2 times. D, F, B, D, C, right? So I hope you enjoyed this, you know, very quick and very fast, you know. You can replay it as many times as you want. That's why is your video as that moment in this moment in time. Please, please, please. So now we are ending this first series of 10 sight reading exercises, I would call them. Pretty much they are kind of sight reading exercises in which you get used with different notes and different position and different chords. So do please like and comment. You will make me very happy for your like and for your comments, and we can communicate, and I give you more more knowledge, or more I can answer your questions. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe if you are new, and see you in book number 2. That would be number 11, in which you gonna go 5 fingers exercise, right? From 11 all the way to number 19, we will definitely start doing more exercises like that. Alright, so thank you so much for watching, and see you next time.